Hi, how you doing today? I hope your day has been very lovely. Uh, Welcome to my lower channel. I am Precious Nibwe and I'm talking to you today about cheating. I'm a legal practitioner. Now, cheating is an offense, it's a universal offense, and the statutes regulating them in different countries are different, and the punishments are different based on the circumstances and the severity and the quantity involved in a given circumstance. Now, cheating is when someone tries to make more profit for himself by inducing or escalating a price or trickishly putting in damaged goods underneath so you don't see that it's damaged and blaming it on some responsibility or some act of fraud or something, knowing fully well that that thing was actually damaged in order to make more money. That's what we call cheating. And today I'm going to talk about the criminal code and the penal code applicable in Nigeria. Like I always say, the penal code is applicable in the northern part of Nigeria, and the criminal code is applicable in the southern part of Nigeria. Now, according to section 421 of the criminal code, cheating is when any person, by any means, any fraudulent trick or device, obtains from any other person anything capable of being stolen, or induces any other person to deliver to any person anything capable of being stolen, or to pay or deliver to any person any money or goods or any greater sum of money or greater quantity of goods than he would have paid or delivered, but for such trick or device is guilty of a misdemeanor and liable to imprisonment for 2 years. So cheating is a misdemeanor and its punishment is 2 years imprisonment. A person found committing the offense may be arrested without warrants. So such person can be arrested without warrants. Don't wait to get him caught in the act. And I have a case there, the case of R versus Ogbonna, reported in 1941, 7 Waka at page 139. In that case, somebody obtains loan money on security of some trinkets which he represented to be gold, but they were found to be gilded brass. He was said to have committed the offense of cheating. Now, let me also refer you to the section of the law that of the penal code that also talks about the offense of cheating. Now, section 320 through to 325 of the penal code defines and gives the punishment for the offense of cheating. Section 320 to 325 gives the punishment for the offense of cheating. And it basically explains the definition is same with the criminal code. And the punishment is 3 years in section 322 of the penal code. So the punishment is different. The punishment is 3 years or with fine or with both. So it's either 3 years imprisonment in the northern part by the penal code, with or without a fine, or with both. And false representation may fall within section 320 to 325 of the penal code, as is not explicitly provided for in penal code. Section 325 provides that whoever cheats and thereby fraudulently of the penal code provides that whoever cheats and thereby fraudulently or dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to make, alter, or destroy the whole or any of the documents of title or anything which is signed or sealed and which is capable of being converted into a document of title, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to a fine. So, anybody who cheats and dishonestly induces delivery of a property will be punished with 7 years imprisonment and shall also be liable to a fine. In the penal code, that's section 325. So there's a little variation in the offense of cheating in the penal code in northern part of Nigeria. And then section 324 also provides that whoever cheats by personation shall be punished with an imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years, or with fine, or both. So cheating by personation, that could pass for false pretense. Cheating by personation attracts a fine of 5 years imprisonment. Cheating, then section 323 of the penal code also says, whoever cheats with the knowledge that he is likely thereby to cause wrongful loss to a person whose interest in the transaction to which the cheating relates, he was bound either by law or by a legal contract to protect, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend 5 years, or with fine, or with both. So any person cheating whose interest offender is bound to protect is liable to 5 years imprisonment. So if he was bound to protect somebody's interest, like for example, if you're doing a contract with somebody and you're supposed to act in utmost good faith, but you failed to do that and instead cheated the person, tried to play a fast phone on the person, you will be liable to 5 years imprisonment with a fine or with both. Then section 321 says a person is said to cheat by personation if he cheats by pretending to be some other person, or by knowingly substituting one person for another, or pretending that any other person is a person other than he or such other person really is. That's cheating by personation. So the penal code has a breakdown of the offenses of cheating from section 320 down to section 325, and I started from section 325 of the penal code and explained downwards. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I am Precious and I like to hear from you, and I appreciate your compliments and hope that this video is helpful and enlightening and educative. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye bye.